How to check SafePal network fees. Are you facing issues to check SafePal network fees? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To check network fees in SafePal, open the SafePal application on your mobile device and start any transactions like sending crypto or swapping tokens. Once transaction confirmation is screened, you'll see the network fee or gas fee display. This fee depends on the blockchain network you are using, such as Ethereum or BNB Smart Chain. You can usually adjust the fee to speed up or slow down the transaction, but higher fees means faster processing. Always review the fee before confirming the transactions to avoid surprises. And if you are not sure how to complete any of the steps, make sure to check out other videos in this channel for full guidance. And that's it guys, that's how you're gonna check SafePal network fees. Bye bye.